let's talk about pets and anxiety. A lot of people deal with anxious pets, dogs or cats or, otherwise. Um, can, shifting what you feed your pets help balance out the pet's emotional health?
Absolutely. And and so again, we know that the microbiome produces something like 90% of our neurotransmitters, and it's the same for dogs and cats. And the other thing is back to that luteinizing hormone thing. Guess where the other receptors start popping up in the brain? And so this is associated with increased anxiety, aggression, and as pets age, with cognitive dysfunction as well. So everything we think of for us, so improving the function of the microbiome, having an anti inflammatory diet, using high doses of omega 3 fatty acids and a few other supplements, that's going to help reduce anxiety. There's a boatload of really awesome natural options out there, including tryptophan, theanine. Assisi makes a pulsed electromagnetic frequency loop called a canine calmer that's just done amazing things for Hio. I mean, there's just so many options out there, but it is truly an epidemic of anxiety, and especially to thunderstorms. I mean, that's just gotten so intense for these guys.